Save a document, control S. Print a document, control P. Close a document, control W. Move the text. Cursor. Up, down, left, right. Up one screen, page up, down one screen, page down, beginning of a line, home, end of beginning, end of a line. Hello sister naman po si end of a line, end, beginning of a document, control home, end of a document, control end, wait lang, cut, control X, copy, control C, paste, control V, undo, control Z, redo, control Y, find, control F, replace, control, wait lang, dito na lang, bold, control B, underline, control U, italics, control I, align left, control L, align center, control E, align right, control R, justify, control J, check spelling and grammar,